Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Faisal Lazy. Today, I will explain about our group article. The title is Exploring Students' Progress in Identifying the Differences Between Skimming and Scanning in AFL Reading. I have a little note here for the article, for the background of the study. Reading is a complex cognitive process that involves not only decoding text, but also interpreting meaning and selecting appropriate reading strategies. In the context of English as foreign language, skimming and scanning are considered fundamental reading strategies, especially in academic reading. Skimming enables readers to grasp the general idea of the text quickly, while scanning is used to get specific information such as names, dates, or key details. However, previous studies and our preliminary observation indicate that many FL students struggle to clearly differentiate between these two strategies, particularly in real academic reading tasks. At University of Maritim Raja Ali Haji, first semester students of the English Education Study Program show similar difficulties. Although they were familiar with the concept of skimming and scanning, their actual application of these strategies was often inconsistent. The gap between conceptual understanding and procedural use this became the main motivation for conducting this study. Okay, for the research objective, the study was conducted with two main objectives. First, to identify students' understanding of skimming and scanning strategies. Second, to examine the specific difficulties students face when applying these strategies in academic reading tasks. The third, to investigate the factors that contribute to students' misunderstanding and inconsistent use of skimming and scanning. For the methodology, this research employed a mixed method approach, combining quantitative and qualitative data to obtain the comprehensive understanding of student reading strategies. The participants were the 26 first semester students of English Education Study Program, consisting of 16 female students and 10 male students. The data were collected through questionnaires and interview-based pre-test. The questionnaire was used to measure students' section confidence and frequency of using skimming and scanning. Meanwhile, interviews were conducted to explore students' decision-making processes when selecting learning strategies, allowing us to observe their strategic and metacognitive awareness directly. Okay, now we move to the result and discussion. The findings indicate that skimming is more familiar and more frequently used than scanning among personal students. Most students reported using skimming to understand the main ideas of the text. However, a high percentage of the natural responses suggest that skimming is often applied without strong strategic awareness. In contrast, students show greater uncertainty when using scanning. Although many students claim to use scanning to locate the specific information, interview data reveal that they often apply skimming when scanning was required. The result in incorrect answer, especially in tasks that demanded precise information. Furthermore, interviews show that some students selected reading strategies based on personal comfort rather than the reading purpose. When unsure, several students tended to read the entire text, indicating limited cognitive illness. These difficulties were mainly caused by habitual reading patterns limited vocabulary knowledge, insufficient explicit instruction, and a lack of awareness of reading goals. As a result, students' understanding of skimming and scanning remain uneven that at the procedural level. For the conclusion and implications, in conclusion, the study shows that approximately of students possess a basic conceptual understanding of skimming and scanning. However, their ability to apply the strategies consistently and appropriately is still developing. Although most students demanded initial competence, some still relied on routine reading habits rather than strategic decision making. Therefore, structured guidance, explicit instruction, and contextualized practice are essential to improve students' strategic and metacognitive reading awareness. The reading of this study suggests that critical reading instruction should emphasize reading purpose, keyword identification, and guided practice in using skimming and scanning. By doing so, students' academic reading competence and efficiency can be significantly enhanced. Okay, there's the reference for this article. I think that's all from me now. Uh, that concludes for my presentation. I hope that this study contributes to a better understanding of ESL student reading strategies and can improve academic reading instruction. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.